Welcome to Introdyne's AOS 6 to 7 Federation tutorial video. Introdyne offers a federated search feature for searching emails across a series of machines. You may link as many machines as you want, but every machine must also have federated search configured. In some instances, it may be necessary to federate archivers of differing AOS versions. This video is here to guide you through this process. For information on connecting 2 or more AOS 7 machines, refer to the basic federated configuration tutorial. To begin this process, log into your AOS 6 archiver. Click the top Configuration tab. Then, click the side Federated Configuration tab. Here you can find details on your AOS 6 archiver. Copy the Federation key. Switch to your AOS 7 archiver, navigating to the same page by clicking the top Settings tab, followed by the Federated Configuration side tab. Click the blue Add Federated Machine button to proceed. Add the FQDN or IP address of the 6X machine and click Continue to proceed. Paste the previously copied 6X Federation key and continue. You will be prompted to enter the product key of the AOS 6 machine. This key can be found directly beneath the Federation key. Copy this and return to the 7X archiver. Paste this key and complete the process. You should see your 6X archiver listed under Federated machines. Now that we've set up connection to 6X on the 7X machine, we must configure the connection from the other side. Start from where we left off on the 7X archiver. There will be 2 options for Federation keys here. Make sure to select the 6X Federation key. Note that the product key may be found further down on this page. Copy the Federation key and switch to the 6X archiver. Scroll to the bottom of the page to find the Federated Connections list and add a Federated machine. Paste the recently copied Federation key, then enter either the IP address or FQDN. Once this is complete, you will need to switch back to the AOS 7 archiver to copy the product key. Switching back, paste this key and click the blue Save button to proceed. You should be presented with a success message and be able to see this new connection at the bottom of the page. Look for a blue indicator under the field labeled Responding to ensure your machines are communicating. You will see this indicator on the AOS 7 machine as well. This concludes the AOS 6 to 7 Federation tutorial. For more helpful tips and support videos, visit support.introdyne.com.